Welcome. In this video I will show you how to send files from your smartphone to your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. So the easiest way to do so is by entering a specific website that I'm gonna show you right now. It's called Pairdrop.net. So you can straight away enter this address into your path field. It's Pairdrop.net. Let's open this website, and right now what we're gonna have to do in order to send a file from the smartphone to this computer is click this link icon to link our devices and then scan this QR code with your smartphone's camera as the easiest way. But alternatively, you can also open the same website on your smartphone and then enter this code into this field on your device. But of course I'm gonna use the first method, as it's obviously much easier than manually entering this code. So let me just scan this QR code, open the link, and both devices will be immediately connected to each other. Now on my smartphone I'm gonna have to select the PC icon, and then let's select the files, and let's select the image that we want to send. I don't know, for example this one, or it doesn't have to be an image, it can be any kind of file. Then click accept on your computer, accept this file receiving, and as you can see, this file was successfully sent from my phone to the laptop, and now it's stored in the downloads folder in the file explorer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.